Ever wish you could get paid just for watching YouTube? It sounds unreal, but it's 100% legit. No scams, no weird downloads, just real cash for your screen time. Today I'll show you the exact platforms and strategies to turn your video watching habit into a real side hustle. No experience or money needed. Let's dive in. First up, inboxdollars.com. Sign up in seconds and get a $5 bonus instantly. Skip the surveys. Head straight to the videos tab. Pick a playlist, hit play, and let the videos run in the background while you do anything else. The site tracks your views and credits your account automatically. It's not a fortune, but it's true passive income for zero effort. This is your foundation, earning money while you multitask. Next, let's take your earning potential up a notch by adding swagbucks.com to your setup. Swagbucks is one of the most popular reward sites out there, and it's super easy to get started. It works a lot like Inbox Dollars, but instead of cash, you earn points for your activities. These points can be redeemed for PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, or a huge variety of other rewards, giving you plenty of flexibility. To start earning, just head over to the Watch section, pick a video playlist that interests you, and let it play in a new browser tab while you go about your day. Swagbucks also offers daily bonuses for reaching your watch goals, so you can rack up extra points just by being consistent. These bonuses can really add up over time, making your efforts even more rewarding. Here's a pro tip. Run both Inbox Dollars and Swagbucks at the same time. With two sites working for you, you're doubling your opportunities to earn and maximizing your passive income with almost no extra effort. This is a simple, low-effort system that keeps earning for you in the background, whether you're relaxing, working, or even doing chores around the house. The more consistently you use Swagbucks, the faster your points will grow. Make it a daily habit and watch your rewards multiply. Ready to take your earnings to the next level? Let's dive into even smarter strategies and boost your results even further. Here's the game changer. AI tools like ChatGPT can completely transform how you make money online. Instead of spending hours slogging through surveys and quizzes, you can use AI to breeze through them in a fraction of the time. Imagine having a digital assistant that never gets tired, never makes mistakes, and is always ready to help you earn more. Just copy the survey questions into the AI, get instant, accurate answers, and paste them back. Done in seconds. No more second guessing or wasting time searching for answers. The process is fast, efficient, and almost effortless. This powerful method lets you complete dozens of surveys in the time it would normally take to finish just one. You'll see your progress bars fill up rapidly, and your earnings start to multiply much faster than before. While you passively earn by watching videos, AI helps you actively rack up extra cash by handling the hard work for you. It's multitasking at its finest, earning from two streams at once. It's like having a free, super smart assistant working for you 24/7, making sure you never miss an opportunity to earn more. You can relax, focus on other things, or even scale up your side hustle. By combining passive video watching with AI-powered surveys, you're not just working smarter. You're leveling up your entire side hustle game and unlocking a whole new way to double your money online. Why stop at just two sites when you can multiply your earning potential with even more? The real secret to maximizing your passive income is to stack as many legitimate video watching platforms as possible. Add Zoombucks and iSense to your daily routine, and don't forget Reward XP. Each one offers unique opportunities to earn. Signing up is quick and easy, and every site has its own playlists, tasks, and special offers. By joining all of them, you're opening up more ways to get paid. Open a separate browser tab for each site, mute the audio so it doesn't disturb you, and let up to 5 video streams run at the same time, maximizing your screen's earning power. Your computer is now transformed into a true money-making machine, working for you in the background. With every extra site, your earnings multiply, without any extra effort on your part. Even if each site only pays a small amount, those micro-payments add up quickly over time. When you combine them, you'll notice your balance growing much faster than before. This is the key to scaling up. More sites mean more streams, and more streams mean more cash flowing in. The more you diversify, the more you earn. All while your computer does the heavy lifting. Ready to supercharge your setup? Let's take it to the next level with automation. Got an old laptop, tablet, or phone? Put them to work. Set up your spare devices to run these sites 24/7. no need to tie up your main computer. Each device can run multiple sites, earning you money around the clock. With just a few devices, you could easily make $100, $150 a month, hands off. Just check in daily to restart playlists if needed. This is true passive income. Set it and forget it. Want to supercharge your earnings? Use referral links. Every site pays you to invite friends. Share your link, and you earn a commission on everything they make. Post your link on social media, blogs, or YouTube. Get creative. The more people you refer, the more passive income streams you build. Help others earn, and you both win. This is how you turn a side hustle into a real scalable income. Now let's wrap it up. That's the blueprint, turning screen time into cash with zero special skills. Use these platforms, automate with old devices, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Refer others and watch your income multiply. Don't just scroll, start earning today. Subscribe for more money-making hacks and welcome to Grab Gold, where we earn, not just watch.